Alright, I'm back to do another flashlight review on the OrcaTorch T20 Tactical Flashlight. Good for camp use, tactical, in your house. This was sent to me by Outdoor Equipment Expert from Amazon US. Take a look here at the 980 lumens. Let's see if we get a better look here. Tells you a little bit about the information. All right. I got this the other day and do a review on it. Comes in this nice little handy case right here. Pop them open. Comes in a nice padded protective case. It's very nice. All right. What we have is, it comes with a dual charger, some more O-rings, instructions, warranty card. It's in English and in Chinese, of course. Some kind of sticker. And it comes with these 18650 batteries. There's two of them actually. Comes with two of them. That way, you know, if you need more, you know, runs out, whatever. It also comes with this nifty little belt holder right here. So that's pretty cool. And a lanyard, of course, right here. All fits in this package here very nicely. And here's the light, comes protected. Nice beveled edge right there, all machined. Nice protected positive click. I don't have the battery in it yet. Charging it up real quick. And this is nice. OrcaTorch. I never heard of them before, and then I went and looked them up, and they're a diving light company. They make diving lights. And pretty nice stuff, you know. It's kind of surprised, you know, but they want to get into the tactical light, camping light type of thing, things like that. And so they're high quality. There's actually another video I saw on YouTube. A guy does a torture test. I'm not going to do a torture test on this because I'm going to be using this light. I'm going to keep it and I'm going to use it. But he does a torture test on it where he runs over it with his truck. He runs over, he drops it several times from the height of his head and head high, and then he even drops an 80-pound boulder on it, and it still worked. You know, the first time he dropped the boulder on it, it just scuffed it up a little bit. Second time he dropped the boulder, and the first time I guess he dropped it, but it cracked the lens here. But second time he dropped it, it actually squished the lens. It squished this whole thing down. But by God, it still worked. You know, the glass, the lens covering here was busted out, but the light still came on. So that's a pretty good torture test, and if you want to see that, go to his video. We're going to do some light testing with it. Let me get the battery in it and everything, but take a look at it here. this out of the way. This thing is very well made. Nice. I mean, you know, I've done a couple other flashlight reviews. This one is a very nice one. Smooth, nice, heavy duty. Doesn't weigh a whole lot, but you can tell it's heavy duty. So yeah, that's very cool. It's waterproof up to about 6 feet. I wouldn't expect anything less from a company that makes diving lights. But it's waterproof. So that means for sure it'll be water resistant out in the field. 980 lumens. I'll put the link to all this stuff to where to get this, and if you're interested in this, you know, or something like that, a good light, you know, not just a cheap light, but a pretty dang good one. I'll put the link in there, and it has all the description of everything of the details all about this light, everything, all the specifications. Let's get a battery in here and get it tested. All right, we're just out here in my front yard a little bit. All right. Scroll through the modes a little bit here. Lowest mode, not very bright at all. Alright. That's pretty good. Take it for a little further test. Alright, we're out here in the street right now. That's pretty good. Very nice. We're going to take it out into the field here in a second. Alright, we're out in the field now. Not sure you'll all be able to tell, but it is actually pretty foggy out here. Anyway. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one of our Oklahoma monuments. Yeah, it's pretty foggy. I'll walk out here a little bit. Definitely tell the difference. Lights up that whole field. See the trees and everything back there. Hopefully it's getting that on video. Very nice, very nice. Well, my overall impressions of it, it's a nice light. Man, it is foggy out here, but it is a nice light. I mean, you can see I can You can tell I'm even brighten that sign down, that reflective sign at the end. That's probably a good 1/4 mile, close to it at least. Down there to the roadway down there. But yeah. I like it. I think it's a good light. Well, I'm not sure. That's a lot of fog right there. I like it. So it's a pretty good light, and it's solid. Man, it really is foggy out here. You can see the fog. See that? You sure can see that. Wow. Pretty neat. That's my video. And I'll put links down below to where you can get one if you're interested in it. Pretty nice light though. Pretty nice light. OrcaTorch T20. 980 lumens. Waterproof up to 6 feet. Pretty nice. Keep it heavy.